Creating an Airtable template allows you to set up a pre-configured base that can be reused for similar projects. Here's how you can make a template in Airtable. Set up your base. Start by creating a new base or modifying an existing one to suit the purpose of your template. Add necessary tables, fields, and records. Customize your base with views, filters, and grouping to organize your data efficiently. Design the structure. Configure the structure of your base, including fields like single-line text, number, date, linked record, checkbox, and others. Set up automations, forms, and views as required to streamline processes. Save your base as a template. Once your base is designed, click on the Share button at the top right of your base. Select Create a Template. Airtable will prompt you to add a name and description for the template. You can then share the template link with others, or use it to create new bases with the same structure. Reuse your template. To use your template again, go to the Airtable Templates gallery, where you can access and duplicate your saved template base for new projects.